Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to see someone's story on Facebook. So let's start the video. First, open your Facebook app. Make sure you are signed into your account. Go to the top of your newsfeed. At the top of your Facebook newsfeed, you will see the stories. These are stories posted by your friends or pages you follow. Tap on the story you want to view or scroll through the stories and find the personal story you want to see. Or you can go to their profile and then tap on their profile picture to view their story. The story will automatically start playing. You can tap on the right side of the screen to skip to the next part of their story or swipe to the left to move to the next person's story. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.